What's good, y'all? It's your boy Little Roy, aka Little Roy TV, and this is a new series about to do on this channel. So this is a quick little intro. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button as well as comment. I respond to all my comments, as well as like this video, share the video, share the channel. Let's get more people join the squad. We on our way to 500 plus subs, or 600, whichever number it is. We on our way to those numbers, and this is the weekly segment I'm gonna start doing on this channel. Life of a reseller. Of a sneaker reseller. You guys obviously gonna be here. I want to start vlogging a lot more. I want to take L's, I want to take W's, all that good stuff. So it's a quick little intro. Let's get right into the video. I don't know how long it's gonna be, but I do want to make them pretty lengthy so you guys could watch and see what goes on. We're gonna talk about obviously brick flips. We're gonna talk about reselling, holding, all that stuff throughout videos as I go on with all these episodes. But you guys gonna see what happened throughout this week, and you guys gonna watch the clip, and I'm gonna do an outro right after you guys see all the footages. So let's get right into it, and I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Peace. So these are the 5 packages that are going out straight to UPS. We boxed them up, put the labels, and now we're off to UPS. Look at all that. Hopefully. So I'm trying this for the first time, using this brand. Not showing because I'm not sponsored. But if you know, you know. I'm gonna put a dose, not a dose, but some in the water. Got my brush, and I'm gonna clean this. I don't really sell used shoes, but my mom, she got this from, no, what's that place called? Not an outlet. Where they be selling like used stuff. I forgot. But if you know, you know. She found these, and I'm gonna sell them for very cheap because the insoles are out. So I already legit checked them. They are real. So I'm gonna post this on Poshmark, and we're just gonna clean them up as much as we can. Also try to get the smell out, and we're gonna fix the crease in my stuff in them. But yeah, let's get right into it. I'm gonna clean it. I'm gonna show you guys kind of what it looks like before and after. This is really how it looks. I know creasing, minus the creasing, they are in pretty good condition, to be honest. I just gotta clean them up. Let's see. Like I said, I don't really get used sneakers like that. But for these, because it's a dunk, I'm definitely gonna clean them up and freshen them up and see how they look after the case. That's the left shoe, and this is a size 7Y. So if you're watching this, if I didn't sell them by then, hit me up. They are gonna go for some type of profit. But yeah, so let's clean this up and let's see how it looks after I'm done. Let's see if I do a good job. See you guys in the next clip. Look, y'all think it's a game? Dropping packages off to UPS. And I'm trying to get leftover UNC 6s at Snipes, but it's most likely not gonna happen. But I just wanted to film this for you guys. They started getting better at filming most of the stuff for the content. Alright, see y'all in the next clip. When you went to the spot to get leftovers and you thought you wasn't gonna touch the item, I don't know if I could turn the camera, can I? Oh, y'all gonna see right now. Look at that. Men's GS and top. Look, we touched the item. Double back for another GS. I think they only got a size 8. So it's not worth copping. Third time's the charm. I'm doing bad because I wanted to get Cold Stone ice cream, but I forgot my whole wallet at the house. Either way, that's the third time I'm coming back to the store because they literally gave me one shoe in the shoebox. I got to the crib and I was like, why this box felt a little too light? So I opened the box and it was literally one shoe in there. So that was annoying. I had to go back and get my shoe. So that's why I'm back recording for you guys. So that's why they always check the shoes, make sure the size is right, and also that they got the right shoe and they put more than one shoe inside the box. So I'll see you guys next clip, whichever that is, trying out this new series, Day in the Life of a Sneaker Reseller. Alright, so I feel like I was pretty lazy on the outro. I'm not gonna redo the outro, but I was talking about I hit the green toes when they restocked on Nike. So I did hit at the 5.5, so y'all know I'm not capping. That I hit some more shoes that's coming in the mail. But I also got these. They're not going for much, but I just want to show you guys weekly. As you can see, I think I did a video on the channel yet, but yeah, I think what I'm gonna start doing going forward, sneakers like these bricks or brick flips, I won't do a full-on review unless maybe it's needed. I'll be picky, I guess, but I'm gonna start putting them in brick flips so you guys could see it in the weekly series that I'm gonna start doing. And cue to the intro. What's good about this series that I'm gonna do, Life of a Reseller weekly, is because sometimes I do reviews on shoes like this and then I get more pairs. You get what I'm saying? So you guys can see that as well. Alright, so you guys finally made it to the outro. You guys watched the whole video. It's so weird that I'm filming the intro and outro at the same time, but either way you name it. Let me know what you guys think about this video. Like, comment, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. Obviously throughout the week there was a lot of drops, whether it was online. We tried to go after the Air Maxes, some lows, some mids. I don't know what else dropped throughout the week. I'm gonna start vlogging more when I do those drops, but I'll be in my bed at near 10 a.m. when stuff be dropping, so I'm gonna definitely try to get that on footage next week for you guys as releases decide to start coming. I did hit on a Jordan 1 low GS size green toe. I don't feel like showing it to you guys, it's over there, but I can show you the screenshot if it's needed. If not, whatever. Either way, we got those in a size 5.5. I'm gonna hold that, and then I'm gonna just wait till the price goes up. But yeah, so let me know what you guys think about this series. I'm gonna know if y'all mess with it based off the views and everything. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for supporting the channel. We're gonna keep producing that new content for you guys and creative content. So thank you for supporting the channel and keep rocking with your boy. And by the time I come back with this type of series, maybe hopefully I have my hair braided again. But either way, thank you for supporting, keep supporting, and I'll see you guys in the next one.